Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to play the classic card game Uno right inside your Telegram group, just like you would around the family table, but with a virtual twist. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up Uno in any Telegram group and start playing with your friends using the @Unabot, a popular and trusted bot. You don't need anything fancy, just your Telegram app and a little group chat. Let's dive right in. First, because Telegram doesn't actually come with Uno built in, we need to add some magic to our group in the form of the Uno bot. Think of the Uno bot as your friendly virtual dealer and scorekeeper. It handles the cards, the rules, and all the game logistics so you don't have to. Here, how you get started. Open your group chat where you and your friends want to play. Tap the group name at the very top. This opens up all your group's info and settings. From there, look for the Add Member button, or sometimes it's an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This is how you invite anyone new, and yes, that includes bots. In the search bar, type @Unabot, all one word, and when you see it pop up, tap it and confirm you want to add it to your group. It's as simple as inviting another friend. And don't worry, you can remove the bot whenever you want if you change your mind later. Now that the Uno bot is in your group, you're ready to get your first game going. There's no need for complicated setup or registration. Just head back to your group chat and type either start or new and send that message. Anyone in the group can do this, not just the admin. The bot will reply, letting you know a new game has begun, often with a handy message and instructions on how each player can join. Usually, there's a button you tap to officially hop in, super straightforward. This automated process makes sure everyone is ready before the cards are dealt. If someone's running late to the chat, give them a nudge, because once the cards are out, it's game time. Playing Uno in Telegram is pretty seamless, thanks to inline commands. Here how it works. The bot will announce whose turn it is, so there's no guessing or awkward pauses. The bot also deals the cards to each player privately, so your hand stays secret, just like in real life. When it's your turn, here's what you do. In the chat's message input field, type @Unabot, don't forget the space afterwards. This brings up your virtual hand of Uno cards right above your keyboard or input area. Valid cards you can play will appear bright and easy to tap, while the cards that won't work at this turn will be faded out. You just tap the card you want to play, and the bot takes care of showing that move to everyone in the main chat so the group can follow the action. If you hit a turn where you can't play any card, no worries, the bot got your back. You'll either use a command like or tap a special draw button. The bot gives you a new card and maybe you'll get lucky. It mimics the classic experience of drawing from the deck when things get tough. One of the best features, don't worry about shouting Uno and hoping your friends don't gang up on you. This bot automatically notices when you're down to one card and it'll announce Uno for you so you won't be penalized for forgetting. The first player to clear their hand wins the round, just like in the classic game. And that's it. Simple, interactive, and a ton of fun no matter where you and your friends are. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button to let me know. If there's anything you're unsure about or you have questions about other Telegram games, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and group game ideas. Enjoy playing Uno and I'll see you in the next one.